Good morning, Raddad Cooks here. You know, it seems like everywhere you go on YouTube, you can find a video of some YouTube chef making Gordon Ramsay's world-famous scrambled eggs. Now, why you would watch a 20-minute video of someone you don't know making Gordon Ramsay's eggs verbatim when you could watch the man, the legend himself, making about 4? I don't understand. But I digress. When we started introducing Jet to solid foods, scrambled eggs were an obvious and easy option. However, I found I had to make them very soft so he wouldn't choke, thus developing my own version of Gordon Ramsay's scrambled eggs. Let's go. We start off with the heat on medium. We got 2 tablespoons of broccoli, and we're gonna add to that 2 tablespoons of water and let it cook for about 2 minutes. This is gonna blanch up our broccoli and make it soft so the baby doesn't choke. That's the whole goal here. While that's cooking, we're gonna scramble up 2 eggs. After the 2 minutes, we're gonna remove the broccoli and water from the stove and slowly introduce our eggs. This is kinda gonna let them temper so they don't immediately start cooking. After about 15-20 seconds, we'll slide them back onto the heat. Now the key to making these things right is always keep them moving. Now Gordon uses a bunch of butter, but this is for a baby and we don't want him to get a leaky valve, so we're just gonna use water. In our nonstick pan, we'll just keep working these eggs until they start to set up about to this point. Then we're gonna add 2 teaspoons of half and half. Continue working the eggs in the same manner you were before until they get back to around the same point they were before you added the half and half. At this point, we're gonna treat it to 2 tablespoons of shredded cheese. Gordon uses creme fraiche, but we use shredded cheese. Now at this point, our pan is gonna have enough residual heat to finish cooking those eggs, so go ahead and lift it up off the burner. This is the quickest way to get it off the heat. If you just turn that burner off, it's not gonna cool off quick enough and you're gonna end up overcooking these things. Keep working them just like we were before. It's gonna take about another 15-20 seconds to get all of that melted cheese incorporated and for the eggs to finish setting up. We want them to be nice and almost mushy to the bite, but still be firm enough to where when you put them on a plate, they're gonna stand up on their own. I like to serve them on a flat plate like this. That way I can spread them out real smooth and they're gonna cool off really quick so that way they can get right into that hungry baby's mouth and you can focus on slamming coffee before you get dressed for work. Thanks for coming by, guys. I hope the time was worth it and you learned a new recipe and a nice, quick, easy, safe way to make some eggs for your baby-led weaning baby in the morning. As always, don't forget to like and comment. If you're new, please subscribe and ding that notification bell. That way you don't miss a single recipe here at Raddad Cooks. Peace!
Comment, subscribe.